Welcome to VAL'S quick tips and trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with Mankeachem Ambot tik, that is Squids Ambot tik. We call it Mankeos in Konkani. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मागता देवा लागीं की तुमी सगळीं बरे भशेन आसतली आनी टुडे इज आंबोट तीक. सो आंबोट तीक गोंयकारां आमी सगळीं जाणां, बट थोडी जी शिकोंक सोदता न्यू जनरेशन हें तांकां लागून ओके. वन्स अगेन फ्रॉम माय किचन आंबोट तीक of Squids Ambot tik means it is like sweet sour, you can say sour and spicy, and you can put little bit of sweetness also. So that is the dish. So I have 500 grams, that is half kg of squids, and I've cut it into whichever way you want. You can cut rings or you can cut the straight way, whatever you want. Okay, so this is half kg. Then 1 ball of tamarind, I've soaked it, and then this we will be adding later. So that is called ambot. So this is sour. Then I've taken 1 onion, big onion. I will be finely chopping it. Then these are the kokum, that is solla, we call bindichi solla, bindi solla. So this is like kokum. So I have taken around 10 of this. You can take less, you can take more accordingly. So these are smaller size, that's why I have taken 10. I don't have to make it more this. Then I'll be using this tefa for my ambot tik. My ma used to use, my grandmother used to use, so that the sliness, the aroma, it gives you a nice aroma. So this is tel fala, so tefa. I've taken 2 of this to give an aroma. Then I've taken 2 Goan chilies. This is optional, but it is spicy because ambot tik it is not spicy. So I've taken 2 of this. You can omit this if you don't want to. Then I've taken 10 Kashmiri chilies. 10 of Kashmiri chilies. 5 of cloves of this 5 cloves, and 10 of peppercorn, black peppercorn. This is like around if you keep finger, then it is like 1 inch and small little bit. So you can put 1 inch of this. Then this is 1 big teaspoon of cumin seed, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And this is, I am going to put this whole small tiny one. Now if you are going to put big one, then 5-6 one, the fatter one you get in market. These are tiny ones, so I am going to put this 1 pod. Then this is ginger I am going to add. So it's like again 2 inch, oh, it's like, yeah, small piece actually. Okay, 1 inch. Then 1 of this tablespoon vinegar, Goan vinegar, and that's it. We have to grind what we have to grind. I will show you. Now for this I will put salt, little bit of salt, and so that my this also get little bit of marinade. So I will put like little bit of ginger garlic paste. Again, this is optional part. If you want, you can do, so that it gets nice aroma. And 1/4 of turmeric powder. So this is what I am doing, and then we will mix this nicely and keep it aside till we cut the onion and grind the masala. First thing, we'll grind the masala. So will take a grinder. Add the chilies. Add this and our and this and our pepper, cinnamon, and this, then cumin and turmeric. To this I will have this, add this also little bit, and little I'll keep for last, and this also. And this I will keep for last. Okay, so now let's grind this to a fine paste. So here my onion is finely chopped, and now we will saute this, and this is my masala which is also ready. Rich red color. So yum. So let's add 2 tablespoons of oil for this, and we'll saute our onions. Now we'll add our masala to this. And we'll add water in this and keep. Now we'll try this. Fry for few minutes. Now in this I will add my squids. You can add later after you add water, but I just want to add now. Again, this is my grandmother used to show, so that all this goes in that by adding this. And now we don't want to take a lot of time for this. We'll add our water to this. So it's like 1 cup of water, but it depends how thick you want the gravy or how thin you want the gravy curry. This Ambot tik is like a curry, side curry. So this is like this much thick. I will add little more. But you can also make it very, very thick. You can add very less water to this. Now once the boil comes, we will add other ingredients. Check the salt. So we have to add our salt to this. Salt to taste. We'll cover this and cook for 5 minutes till it gets a nice boil. As the boil is come, we will add our remaining pulp, that is tamarind pulp, to this. And our tefa, and our swalla, also this vinegar, and our swalla. Mix this and cook for only 5 minutes because squids doesn't take much time if it is tender one. Okay, depending on what type of squids you have brought. So these are the tender ones, and we'll cover it and close it on low flame fire for 5 minutes. So here my Ambot tik is ready to go on a plate. The aroma is nice. You can have it with bread, Goan boiled rice, whatever you feel like, or pulao or something, arroz pulao. You can just relish this. It's cooked and it's ready to serve. Okay, thank you. Hope you will enjoy this Goan Ambot tik. Thank you so much for watching. देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगळ्यांक, आनी मानता की तुमकां हे रेसिपी आवडटली, मानतेली, लायक जातली. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your support. Thank you.